Graciela Perez, certified personal trainer, mat pilates and aqua fitness instructor. I'm going to show you how aquatic fitness is one of our best tools to beat cellulite, get rid of the love handles while toning your abs from the inside out. This is not only important for your image, but it's also important for your overall health because the water has no impact in the joints. A better core, a stronger core means a better balance and prevention of the low back pain, and also reducing the fat around the waist may help prevent heart disease later in life. The water combines the cardio for fat burning with the resistance for toning, with a massage to improve the circulation and get rid of every fat deposit that you may have wherever you have it. So try it today, either alone or with your favorite workout, and see the results.